Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. Help me build this episode 8. We are in the final stretch. We're up to crystal selection today. So, the last video we did was bezel insert selection. So, maybe just coming off of the holiday turkey, but there weren't as many people that voted in this one. We were down to 441 votes, which is a couple hundred below where we have been. Or maybe people are just kind of fed up with it and don't like where it's going. Whatever. We're gonna see this thing through and we are going to finish it. So, first place, I got my notes right before the camera. C36 is the one that took it. This is that dark blue ceramic with the dive style bezel. Dark blue ceramic, 211 votes. The next one up was C37, which is the same thing in a dual time insert, which I thought was interesting, at 168 votes. So you can see it pretty far off there. Coming in just below that in third place with 163 votes was C30, which is a brushed steel insert, and then C25 with 160 votes, brushed steel insert as well. And then, as someone said, there's 24 whatever choices. It's going to be so, the votes going to be so widespread and thin, and that is very true. And I understood that from, even before I filmed the video. But clear winner. Did make itself, which is very interesting, by the way. Talking about clear winner, you guys can't see the results. I can see them in real time. And once like the first 100 votes or so, it's bothering me. Once like the first 100 votes or so are cast, I can look at the results, and that's, I think, every single one so far. The front runner has been the front runner. So that whole statistical selection and all those factors that statisticians use. It really works. It's amazing. Got 100 random people at first, and that winner sticks through for the next 1,300 votes. We're going to look at crystals today, okay? I feel like I'm doing too much in the intro. Accutron 2020 Space View. I will get a video out on this soon. And then my own. I actually been wearing the same two watches for a while now. The ISL 85 with the optional BRAC 22 bracelet. So today we're looking at crystals. We only got 3 to pick from, so we fast. You're going to go from flat to single dome to double dome, and that's about it. And after that, the next video, number 9, we're going to pick bracelet or strap. I guess I'm going to have to kind of figure out which ones I want to offer because this case will hold like a lot of them. I may or may not do the strap code offerings. I may just stick to the Islander offerings just to keep everything kind of in the fold, so to speak. Let's check out crystals. Okay, so here is where we are. We are in episode number 8. We're picking crystals. I got 3 to show you. But let's just recap really quickly where we are. How did we get here? So we are through 7 episodes. So episode 1, 3 o'clock SKX case, no crown guards. Episode 2 was sunburst blue dial. Episode 3, silver brushed chapter ring with black markers. Episode 4, Marine Master hour and minute hands. Episode 5, silver snowflake seconds hand. Episode 6, knurled bezel. Episode 7, that dark blue dive insert that I just spoke about. So here we are. I guess I usually mention it in the beginning. I forgot to. So I'm going to show you all 3 of these, and you're going to vote for which one you want. Down below in the video description will be a link to a Google form. Place your vote. Open for 48 hours. The winner of that one will move on to the bracelet round. So just keep in mind, none of this stuff is fixed. The insert is not glued in. The chapter ring is not set because there's no crystal. I have removed the crystal gaskets from the case, so I can simply just pop these in. But first guy up is flat. Oh, they're all sapphire, obviously. So flat sapphire, no AR on this one at all. The 2 domies have AR on the inside only. But the flat guy has no AR. And I'm just going to pop it in. Hopefully nothing jiggles. There we go. It's on. So this is your flat sapphire crystal. Generally, there's a little bit of a reveal around the bezel because ceramic inserts are just a tad thicker than aluminum, but here is your flat sapphire. Here is your single dome sapphire. So you can see as I go off angle, you see that? It does a little bit of a distortion effect because the top is domed, the bottom is not. There is blue AR on the inside only. You can see it there. And you can see the edge detail again because it's domed on this one. There's a little bit more reveal than even on the flat between the bezel insert and the crystal because it comes in a little bit. But this is single dome sapphire. Last one up is the double dome sapphire. So single AR on the inside, the outside is domed, the inside is domed. No distortion effect, no magnification effect like you get on the single dome. I did a video on it. Maybe put something up here if you want to review what all the crystals do as far as magnification, ray tracing, all that stuff. So double dome AR sapphire. You can see a little bit of a hump there in the middle, but no distortion when I go off angle, and there is the edge, and that's it. That's it. So go look down below, find the link, cast your vote. Your choices are flat, which you can't see, flat, single dome, double dome, all sapphire. That's it. It's Mark from LongOutWatch.com. Help me build this episode 8. Stick around for episode 9. As I said, the other ones. I don't usually answer the comments on this one. Subscribe to the channel if you want. A little link it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Now that is some healthy loom. Bye-bye.